Prepare yourself for a journey into the world of chemistry, but hold on. This isn't the type you'll find in a stuffy classroom. We're delving into the intricacies of ethanoic acid, a chemical powerhouse you may have met in chemistry school, in today's video. But hey, there's no need to yawn because we've spiced things up to keep you interested and excited. Prepare yourselves because we're about to start a brand new chemical journey for you. Ethanoic acid. What is it exactly? The second youngest member of the carboxylic acids is ethanolic acid, usually referred to as acetic acid. When bacteria ferment carbohydrates and then oxidize them, they produce this tiny powerhouse. This acid, however, has more than one use. It is the vinegar's secret ingredient and serves as both a food preservative and a practical DIY cleanser. Seriously, the list goes on and on. Why and how should we use ethanolic acid? After giving you the dirt on ethanoic acid, let's move on to the health benefits it offers. Benefits you might not even be aware of. The real kicker is that although taking ethanoic acid is one thing, how can you use it correctly to maximize your return on investment? The true magic takes place there. We're disclosing the details on how to achieve that in this part. Are you ready to learn more? Move forward. Amazing effects of ethanoic acid in treating fever. Oh, the monsoon season, refreshingly rainy, but guess what comes along with it? Those pesky germs that love to afflict us with illness. But wait, ethanolic acid is the new hero in town. When you consume this amazing acid, it actually works with your immune system to encourage it to prepare and ward against those invaders. Hold on to your hat, because there's more if you thought that was cool. Some studies claim that injecting a small amount of acetic acid into your skin will assist get rid of those difficult-to-cure fevers. But hey, if you're in a difficult situation with your health, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor and follow their advice. How then do you treat fever with the ethanoic acid trick? It's simple. Pick up a clean cloth, dunk it in some diluted vinegar, and then apply it to your forehead, stomach, or feet. Those fever-related problems are suddenly over for you. Simple, right? The good news is that you won't be taken off guard when the weather changes from now on. Really cool, huh? Keep your mouth clean with ethanoic acid. What's this? The key to preventing heart problems, respiratory problems, and even cognitive problems like dementia is your oral hygiene routine. But there is one bright spot. The situation might be saved by ethanol. It has these amazing abilities to combat bacteria and perform miracles due to its acidic composition. So it's not just great for salad dressings, it also does wonders on your mouth. Say goodbye to tartar buildup with the help of this acid miracle. Let's now examine tartar in more detail. When you consume a substantial meal or a sweet treat, the residual food particles interact with the bacteria and saliva in your mouth to form plaque, which is not at all attractive and settles on your teeth. And what's this? Plaque can build up into hard deposits known as tartar if you don't brush properly. Yet this is where ethanoic acid comes into play. You may give your pearly whites a boost and make them shine even brighter by gargling with a warm ethanoic acid solution. But keep in mind not to gargle excessively. We're all about those sparkling teeth, but we surely don't want you to damage those priceless teeth by scraping away the enamel. Your teeth sparkle, making your smile ideal for a selfie. So go ahead and seize that grin while showcasing your impressive dental hygiene skills. Use ethanoic acid to lose those pounds. Are your favorite genes playing hide and seek with that obstinate tummy fat? I've got a trick for you, though. Ethanoic acid is the unsung hero. Look at this. Acetic acid is your ticket to a fit life, according to a study. How? There will be no more late-night munchies as it acts as the ultimate defense against gaining weight and slamming the brakes on those wild desires. Another study, this one from the International Journal of Exercise Science, reveals that acetic acid does more than just sit about. It speeds up your metabolism, preventing you from gaining excess weight around your midsection. So how exactly can you fight abdominal fat using this ethanoic acid magic? It's easier than you might imagine. You only need to add a tablespoon or two of vinegar to your meals and salad to be ready to go. Why then wait? Try it out and say goodbye to that tummy tuck. The best treatment for blood sugar regulation is ethanoic acid. You know, those unexpected blood sugar rises can be really frightening because they raise your risk of developing diabetes. But here's an intriguing fact. According to study, vinegar might be hiding a clever trick. When used with a meal high in carbohydrates, it tends to accelerate your body's process of breaking down sugar into usable forms. It accomplishes this by activating specific receptors in your pancreas, causing it to produce insulin, the hormone responsible for controlling glucose. As a result, the wonderful thing about vinegar is that it contains acetic acid, which is also cool. According to studies, incorporating vinegar into your diet may help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels. What is the best way to apply this acetic acid to control those ups and downs? Well, it's not difficult. A spoonful of this vinegar can be added to your water bottle or, as we previously indicated, drizzled over your meals. Isn't that a clever way to enjoy foods high in carbohydrates without putting your blood sugar through the ringer? Ethanoic acid promotes healthier skin. Who among us doesn't desire beautiful skin? But what's this? You can definitely succeed in doing that. Yes, you heard me correctly. No need for upscale cosmetics retailers like MAC or Sephora. All you need is ethanoic acid, a cost-effective option. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects are two of ethanolic acid's cool characteristics. In essence, it delays the appearance of wrinkles and bothersome fine lines on your face. And here's the kicker. Even the extremely diluted versions of this acid exfoliate the skin by removing any dead skin cells that may otherwise cause acne. It's trendy right now to use vinegar to your skin, especially to get rid of troublesome blemishes, acne scars, and age spots. The catch is that it matters how you utilize it. So, let's talk about how to achieve flawless, young-looking skin. First step, 2 cups of water and 1 spoonful of apple cider vinegar should be combined. People, dilution is the key here. This enchanted concoction is your new skin friend. Use this a couple of times per week. Oh, and keep in mind that you don't need to go crazy or leave it on all night. You won't need to make as many journeys to the dermatologist's office anymore because your skin and your money are both valuable. You'll be so glad you took care of your skin. Ethanoic acid prevents the spread of germs and infections. Ethanoic acid possesses remarkable antibacterial properties. Consider antiseptic as a superhero for your skin. It eliminates those troublesome microorganisms. Ethanoic acid is like a helpful sidekick when it comes to treating wounds, claims a journal. It excels in eliminating dangerous microorganisms and accelerating wound healing. And what's this? Acetic acid can be effective in concentrations as low as 1%. However, there's still more. 2 individuals with leg injuries were examined for the study. They received the ethanoic acid treatment. The outcomes? The best treatment for wound care. Ethanolic acid ensured that the wounds remained bacterial-free. Take a few cotton balls that have been soaked in ethanol acid, gently dab them on the troublesome wound, and watch the magic happen. Which is best? The acid just needs to be 1% concentrated to be effective. Say goodbye to those concerning wounds because they will soon be past. What's this? Your taste buds are in for a treat because you don't need to look very far to find your daily dose of ethanoic acid. Eat some sweet blackberries, tart pickled vegetables, juicy oranges, crisp apples. Delectable grapes, or crisp, flavorful apples to give your body a boost of ethanoic acid naturally. And hey, if you're all about that awesomeness all year long, why not think about taking supplements with ethanoic acid? It's now in your hands. Has this video thus changed your perspective on acetic acid and vinegar? Were there any ethanoic acid tidbits you already knew, or did any of these brand new details completely blow your mind? Don't be shy, express yourself in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you and are all ears.